Hello and good morning to all. Welcome to DSS online class. Now, in previous topic, we will see advantage, Windows advantage, and now see this disadvantage. पिछली क्लास में हम लोगों ने देखा था कि एडवांटेज देखा था गेम रनर तक क्या था, और इसमें अब देखा जाएगा डिसएडवांटेजेस. ओके, नाउ नंबर 1 is expensive. Okay, Microsoft is not a secure operating system, and the license cost is really high. We need to buy new license every time once it is expired. इट मीन्स क्या हुआ कि माइक्रोसॉफ्ट जो है ये क्या है, सिक्योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नहीं है. हर बार इसकी जो लाइसेंस कॉस्ट है क्या है, बहुत हाई होती है. वी नीड टू बाई न्यू लाइसेंस, हमेशा हमको ज़रूरत होती है नए लाइसेंस की परचेज करने की. ओके, एज आई टोल्ड यू, नॉट ए सिक्योर ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम, so this is poor security. Windows is much more prone to virus and malware is comparison to other operating system like Linux or Mac in the market. Third disadvantage is not reliable. That means Windows start to lag with time and eventually needs booting every time, and how to get back the initial speed, not initial speed, initial speed. So this is the some disadvantage of Windows operating system. Now we will talk about next operating system, BOS Linux. BOS stand for Bharat Operating System Solutions. They designed specifically by India for Indians. It was developed by CDAC, that is Center for Development of Advanced Computing, Chennai, to benefit the free open source software in India. We can see this interface of BOS Linux operating system. It has enhanced desktop environment integrated with multiple Indian language support and other software. This project has been approved, supported and introduced by Government of India, endorsed by Government of India. The operating system is product of Linux distribution and has been derived from Debian Linux. BOS Linux provides advanced features such as web server, proxy server, database server, mail server, network server, file and print server, SMS services and many more. The latest version are called BOS 5.0, that is called Anokha, and BOS 6.0 is called Anup. Now the same time advantage and disadvantage of BOS Linux operating system. Let's see the advantages. The first advantage of it is easily available and free to install and use. And second advantage is it is a very stable operating system and provides free access to many software. Third advantage is it is supports multiple Indian language, so user friendly, at least for Indian society. Let's see the disadvantages. There is only one disadvantage. Since it is Linux operating system, it does not support Windows programs and share the same disadvantages as other Linux based operating system. Now we will discuss next operating system, that is Solaris. This operating system was originally developed by Sun Microsystem in 1992 and is a type of Unix operating system. Solaris was developed as proprietary software. That means it not a free software. We can see this interface of Solaris operating system. Solaris is known for its scalability, especially on Spark is scalable processor architecture systems and for organizing many innovative features such as Datrax framework. JFS is a combined file system and logical value manager and time and a time slider. It is registered as compliant with the single Unix specifications. Today's Solaris is supported by HP, Dell, Intel, and Fujitsu, Siemens, एक्सेट्रा. मेनी कंपनी सपोर्ट. HP है, डेल हो गया, इंटेल हो गया, ठीक है, सीमेंस हो गया, ठीक है. इट इज़ ओपन सोलरिस. इट इज़ द अवेलेबल ओपन सोर्स वर्जन ऑफ सोलरिस ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम. Oracle Solaris 10 is latest version of the Solaris operating system. Now see this advantage and disadvantage of Solaris operating system. It provides good and high performance. The next advantage is it provides a complete protection against viruses and malware. It is a multitasking operating system and allow multiple tasks at the same time. Known for its good and powerful backup tools. There are certain disadvantages. Although the operating system provides a graphics interface, it is not as good as other graphical user interface. This operating system is available free of cost, but the updates are not available for free, so not a completely open source. Clear है? इसको फ्री इंस्टॉल तो कर सकते हो, ठीक है, कॉस्ट जो है फ्री है, लेकिन अपडेशन इसका क्या है, फ्री नहीं है, तो बिना अपडेशन कोई वर्क होगा ही नहीं, ठीक है. तो कम्प्लीटली आप इसको ओपन सोर्स नहीं बोल सकते हो, ठीक है. एज आई टोल्ड यू द ऑपरेटिंग सिस्टम नॉट यूज़र फ्रेंडली. सो दीज आर सर्टेन एडवांटेज एंड डिसएडवांटेज ऑफ Solaris operating system. Now we will discuss mobile operating systems. Mobile devices are evolving into increase के बाद है li जुड़ गया है, increasingly sophisticated and general purpose computer, and this has led to the development of a variety of platforms and operating system in the mobile space. A mobile operating system manages the hardware and software resources of a mobile device similar to a computer operating system. Some of the most popular mobile operating system are: number 1, Android from Google Incorporation, then iPhone operating system from Apple, then Symbian operating system for Symbian Foundations, then Windows Mobile from Microsoft, then RIM BlackBerry operating system, MeeGo from Nokia and Intel, then Bada from Samsung. These are some most popular operating system for mobile phone. Now we will discuss one by one in next class. अभी के लिए बस इतना ही, ठीक है. हैव ए नाइस डे. थैंक यू. हैव ए नाइस डे.